So hello guys, this is day number 234 or something, and in this video we are gonna talk about something different. We're gonna talk about the chatbots or the chat AIs that you usually use to just talk to an AI chatbot. So as you know that whenever you want to search about something or look up to some kind of information, then the most famous AI models are not AI models, the AI apps are ChatGPT and Gemini. So other than that, there are other apps such as Perplexity AI and what DeepSeek AI, etc. There are few more, but there are some apps in which you don't go to just look up to some kind of information. These are the these apps, those I just mentioned, are the apps where people usually go to look up for some kind of information. But when you have to just do a role play by chatting with the chatting with an AI, then you just go to look up for different kind of app. Because if you try to role play a different kind of scenario, then most probably ChatGPT and Gemini, this kind of AI, this kind of mainstream AI will not work that way. So if you want to just chat with an AI chatbot, like a real human, and just want to experience a role play situation with that person, with that AI chatbot, then there are few different apps for that only purpose. And in those apps you can chat with different types of chatbots, different types of scenarios you can choose according to your choice, and you can actually even create your own character by customizing every single bit of it. You can customize the photo of the chatbot, you can customize the name, you can describe that how the character will behave while talking with you and what will be its characteristic. And if there is an audio feature in that app, then you can also choose the audio, that which type of audio it will make when you click on the audio option. So all these things are customized according to the apps. So there are few most popular AI chatbot apps, and in some of these apps you can also call the AI chatbot just like you call the real people. So the most popular one is Character AI. Of course, Character AI is these AI chatbots are 18 plus apps, because even though there are filters in this app, but still, man, you can still kind of go and you can still kind of do 18 plus things with those AI chatbots. Not like full 18 plus in most of the apps, for free at least, but yeah, to some extent you can. These apps allow you to go into the 18 plus category. So legally these apps need to put the 18 plus rating on them, but most of the users of these apps are not even 18. Most of them are actually female, who are like 13, 14 and 15 years old. So it's actually that, and actually app also knows this thing. That's why they app also knows that thing. That's why they just don't admit it. They just have to put 18 plus, because otherwise they will be playing a legal game. So yeah, and there was another app who was quite popular in this domain, like who was Chai AI. It was very popular because it was offering complete unrestricted use. Like you can chat about anything. There were no restriction on that app, and earlier it was free also. Like yes, you used to get so many ads while using that app, but yeah, otherwise that app was awesome. And now you can't actually use that app for free. You just have to pay premium for using that app. But yeah, the premium is not worth it for many people. So that's why just when they made the paid version compulsory for using that app, so then at that moment only many people have actually left that app, and they have actually shifted to different kinds of app. some of them have satisfied themselves by using the character AI's little bit, I mean very high uh, filters, which does not even allow even close to the unrestricted feeling of the chai AI. And some of them started discovering more and different types of apps similar to that. So some of them even landed on the emoji. I think like emoji is one of the closest thing to chai AI. Yeah, emoji is also kind of unrestricted, but sometimes it behaves differently. Like it is not very much smooth feeling in emoji app, just like it used to be in chai AI. Like chai AI used to behave like smoothly and was completely unrestricted. And in emoji is also kind of unrestricted, but sometimes it uses the filler words, it uses the less less sexual words. So yeah, emoji is like 50-60% similar to chai AI, but yeah, it's quite different. Like the earlier users of chai, I will only understand what I am saying. Okay, so if you are chai user, I mean if you have used chai in the past, then you can also understand that what I am actually saying. And yeah, these are the only few apps that I consider closer to chai AI. Chai AI was the pinnacle of this field. And yes, you can also still use chai AI, just like it used to be few months back, but 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 it will not be for free. It will be paid. Like I guess the prices for 1 week of chai subscription in Indian rupees is around 500 rupees, and for month or for a year it's actually quite expensive. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.